Welcome to Mongolia, a land of endless skies, nomadic traditions, and rugged wilderness. Today, we'll take you on a virtual journey through the heart of this ancient and untouched country, where the echoes of history resonate across its vast landscapes. Our adventure begins in the iconic Gobi Desert, one of the most unique places on Earth. This vast desert stretches for miles, with towering sand dunes and rocky canyons home to the famed Bactrian camels. The Gobi is not just a barren land, it's alive with ancient fossils, hidden oases, and the rich history of the Silk Road. Next, we journey to the Mongolian steppe, where the traditional way of life continues as it has for centuries. Here, nomadic families live in harmony with nature, moving with their herds of livestock and setting up their gers, the iconic round tents that have sheltered them for generations. These families are the heart and soul of Mongolia, carrying on ancient customs that reflect the country's deep connection to its land. For nature enthusiasts, Mongolia offers a world of adventure. In the Altai Mountains, the towering peaks are home to some of the world's most elusive wildlife, including the majestic snow leopard and golden eagle. These remote mountains not only offer breathtaking scenery, but are also the setting for one of Mongolia's oldest traditions, eagle hunting. Kazakh nomads continue to train eagles to hunt, a practice passed down through generations. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to Ulaanbaatar, the bustling capital of Mongolia. Here, the old and new converge, from bustling markets and Buddhist monasteries to modern skyscrapers. Towering over the city is the giant Genghis Khan equestrian statue, a tribute to Mongolia's greatest leader and founder of the Mongol Empire. His legacy can still be felt across the country today. Mongolia is a land of festivals and unique cultural experiences. The Naadam Festival, often called the Olympics of the Steppe, showcases traditional sports such as wrestling, horse racing, and archery. Listen closely and you'll hear the mesmerizing sounds of Mongolian throat singing, a traditional art form where singers produce multiple pitches at once, echoing the sounds of nature. As the sun sets over the peaceful Orkhon Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage site, the vastness and beauty of Mongolia truly come to life. This valley has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, and today remains a tranquil reminder of Mongolia's nomadic past and natural grandeur. From the sweeping dunes of the Gobi Desert to the snow-capped peaks of the Altai, Mongolia is a land like no other. Whether you're drawn to its untamed wilderness or its rich cultural traditions, Mongolia promises an unforgettable journey. Thank you for joining us on this virtual exploration. We hope to see you in person one day, under the vast Mongolian sky. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more breathtaking virtual travel experiences from across the globe.